there's weather helm and there's lee helm.
Okay.
Right?
What's lee helm?
Lee helm is where, like, if you ease the main so much, it'll go the other way. The boat will want to sail downwind instead of upwind.
Yeah,
right?
okay.
You know, so right now, the boat, when the breeze comes on, the boat wants to go into the breeze.
Yes, that's
right, naturally. Right, so you're pulling against the tiller, the helm. That's weather helm, and you're trying to make the boat. If it blew another 15 knots, you'd struggle. Probably the rudder would come out of the water, and we'd be on our ear, as they say. You know, but you know it's not going to happen. But I believe always look what's going on around you. You know, look at the breeze, right? You know, have a look. Always, mate. I steer by my ears.
Yeah, me too.
You know, like. You know, you feel the breeze, you feel it coming around, and you feel the lifts, and you feel the knocks. You know, and that's to read the wind like that and know what's going on outside the vessel is very important. You know?
Learning a lot from old salty sailors. What do you have to say about your new Australian friend?
I love him.
Yeah.
I'm taking him on our next adventure.
That's my man, bitch.
So you were sailing a wooden boat?
Yeah.
It's my dream. I want
80-year-old wooden boat.
It's fucking beautiful,
I bought the boat in France in 1988, and I circumnavigated with no money for 5 years. Right?
You're our
Like
hero.
that.
How are you feeling?
I am feeling like
Frisky.
$2 million bucks. Go.
Are you getting some good advice from...
I am. I just learned how and what not to do whilst sailing around the world.
But like,
Eat Vegemite.
Yeah.
Eat Vegemite.
oh, that was like, listen.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like my heart is skipping a beat, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in a good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love, yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything now.
Okay, so we're doing good headway to Robben Island, guys. It's a beautiful sail here in Cape Town. Thank you guys for coming along with us on the South African episodes. Sailed with amazing people. Aubrey's on the helm. I have just seen her going from strength to strength with her sailing, and it's really been amazing to see. It's been great. It's been awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed coming to my country. This is the second last sail before we head back to Little Miss and to Magic.
Good. So there's Van Hunks who had a smoking competition with the devil, and that's why you get that tablecloth coming over Table Mountain, which meteorologically it's called the orographic cloud formation. Anyway, so he had a competition with the devil, and whoever lost would be banished into Table Mountain for eternity, looking up to heaven. And Van Hunks obviously lost.
So that's why the face is on the starboard side, on the right hand side.
Looking up to the sky. And if you use your imagination and he's lying on his back, then Devil's Peak is his hard on. I mean, Lion's Head is his boner.
It's like a
Okay guys, so there's the face. Can you see the face? So come down with the Table Mountain, top right, come down, that's his forehead, then it's his nose, and then it's the chin, then it's the Adam's apple, and then it's the boob.
Did you hear about the one fisherman?
No.
Caught one this big.
Wow.
Oh, this is a fun day sailing!
You know when you have that moment where you feel like you've really arrived in life? This isn't it.
Whale again.
Help! Help!
Don't worry, David Hasselhoff is here.
You're really doing a great job. Oh yeah.
Come on, girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar. Yeah, you know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in that good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. Everything you'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
We're in the vortex.
South Africa is awesome because you do get a very strong wind without the waves. So if you had to train in the Solent or the UK, where a lot of our qualifications are governed by, they've got wind and swell and current, and we have wind without swell here, and we've got hardly any current. You know, we've got a maximum of 1.5, 2 knots of current. If you agree, Captain.
All right, you guys, the weather just changed and it's getting crazy out there. I'm not sure what I've got myself into, but I like it a lot. It's hilarious. So this guy here sailed around the world several times. This guy here,
8 times around the world.
8 times around the world, this guy.
Oh, here comes the wind! Here comes the wind! Here comes the wind! Brace yourself!
Standing side by side, moving on. I know what it takes to free us. No one but you and me, not them, they're gonna see. When everything's said and done, I'm gonna stay on the ground. There ain't nothing gonna bring us down. Whenever the race is run, I want us to stand our ground.
Hey guys, we're headed back to the V&A waterfront. We sailed out to Robben Island and we're on our way back. The weather has picked up, but we're gonna cut now to our super cool trip on the garden route, and we'll see you guys back here on this sailboat shortly as we come back into the V&A. Gonna see them.
Where every single night these guys will come home to, and they do it really good. As the sun drops, they'll enter the gate, through the camp, where plenty of food will be waiting for them. So as they finish eating what is in the camp, There's straw inside there to come and rest. They're welcome with the sawdust, which is very good cushion for them to lie on if they need to lie down.
You excited?
I'm so excited. I can see them from here.
You want to take a bath?
I think I did in elephant drool.
You can take a bath right behind you. Do you have elephant drool on you?
This is the coolest thing ever. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Did you smooch an elephant's trunk yet?
No, I haven't tried. They're so big, I'm scared.
So did I not deliver on finding you an elephant?
You delivered, but I was too scared to go.
Are they big?
Bigger than what I thought.
And these are still young calves, or
was
young
amazing.
bulls, actually.
I just wanted to stay there all day. It was really cool. Very, very cool. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We found them. We found the nice one.
Do you like me a little bit yet?
Okay, so right now, me and Dudky are going to go walk over to deliver this note.
Place together, mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs.
Hello, cute doggy. Mission. video, please subscribe. Think about becoming one of our Patreon family.
For all the behind the scenes of these girls, what they're doing on the boat, the uncut and the full version, go check them out on Vimeo.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week on Sailing Miss Lone Star.
Maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can go somewhere, any places.